Hey, I'm Raphael Gonzalez and I'm a real estate agent here in Palm Beach, and today we'll be in Palm Beach Gardens checking out a model in Avenir, which is a massive luxury development that'll have different neighborhoods and builders, a town center and modern clubhouses with pools, gyms, and sports courts, public and private golf courses, and all of this is going to be interconnected with trails and nature and even a working farm. They're gonna have homes that you can build and some that are already under construction that'll be ready sooner and are for sale. So if you're looking for a new home in this area, reach out to me directly and we can work together to go over all of your options and to find the right home for you. So here we have the Redondo model, and it is one of their few single-story homes that they build in this community. The home comes standard as a 4-bedroom home plus a den, but they have the option to convert one of the bedrooms into a guest living room and make it into a next-gen suite with its own separate entryway, which is perfect if you're a caretaker for an older parent or have an adult child living with you. Overall, the home offers 2,527 square feet under air and 3 full bathrooms. The central living areas are open with plenty of natural light, and the kitchen offers a lot of countertop and cabinet space. The owner suite is wider and situated in the back of the home. And they build these more luxurious homes in Palm Beach with higher end finishes, 10-foot ceilings on the main level, modern designs, and an extensive design studio where you can customize and upgrade your home to look like a model. They include the built-in gourmet kitchen standard with every home, and they are one of the few builders in this area that offers pools alongside the construction of your home as an available upgrade. So if you are looking for something like this and want to buy or build a new home here in Palm Beach, reach out to me directly. I specialize in new homes and work with all of the builders and homes for sale, not just this one, and I'd be able to work with you and represent you throughout the process wherever you ultimately decide to call home. just one of the many beautiful homes Palm Beach Gardens in South Florida has to offer. And as always, I'm gonna put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to get into this area, wanna get an idea if this would work for you, is this the right location for you, I'm here to help you with that.